Hi everyone and welcome to this video about solving equations using logarithms. Before we start the video, please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy it. Remember you can comment down below any questions you might have about this video, and if you would like me to make another video on a topic of your choice, you can leave that down in the comment section below as well. We've probably seen an equation that looks something like this before. Even at GCSE, you're expected to be able, through the balancing of powers, solve an equation that looks like this. However, in this case, we can't take 20 and turn it into 3 to the power of another number. In a case like this, we can use logarithms to solve the equation. So, because we have 3 on the left-hand side as the base of the exponent, we can apply log to the base 3 on both sides. So we get that x is equal to log to the base 3 of 20. Let's look at another example here. So we have 5 to the power of 2x and then another 5 to the power of x. We can spot that we have something raised to the second power and something just raised to the first power, very reminiscent of a quadratic. So we can make a substitution. For 5 to the power of x, we can replace it with y. In this case then, we can rewrite the question y squared minus 12y plus 20 equals 0. Factorizing then. And so our solutions are y equals 2 and y equals 10. We must remember that we're solving for x, so 5 to the power of x equals 2, and 5 to the power of x equals 10. Here's where we're going to use our logarithms, so log to the base 5 on both sides, and so we find our two solutions like this. We could of course put these into our calculator to find a decimal answer, but I'm going to leave them here as exact. For this question, I don't have the same base number on both sides of the equation, so I can't cancel out the exponents with just applying one log. In this case, I can take a log of both sides. Now I can choose whatever base number for this log that I want. What's commonly chosen is either the natural log ln or log to the base 10, which we shorten to just write as log. I'm going to use log to the base 10, so I'll just be writing log of 3 to the power of x equals log of 2 to the power of x plus 1. Here I can use the power law for logs, bringing the x down and bringing the x plus 1 down. I can rearrange this to get the logs on one side of the equation. I'm going to expand out that right-hand side, and we can rearrange this to make x the subject of the equation. We can simplify this stage using the division law, and finally x can be written as a fraction using these two logs. Working that out as a decimal is 1.71. Let's take a look at this example. This is almost a quadratic with 2 to the power of x being our variable. However, this middle term is not quite there. We can use the laws of indices though to separate it. Now we can see that it is in fact a quadratic with 2 to the power of x being our variable. We're going to do a substitution with y equals 2 to the power of x. And now solving this quadratic, finally we can replace y, take log to the base 2 of both sides, and get these two answers here. However, we cannot have a negative number as the input for a logarithm, so the answer on the left is incorrect. We must cross that one out and just keep the answer on the right. Thank you for watching this video. I'm glad you've made it all the way to the end. If you have any questions about the video, remember you can leave them down in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.